Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notification.
The petition filed by the candidate of the All Progressives Congress APC in the 2023 Delta State governorship election, Senator Omo-Agege'S, challenging the victory of Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, enters its critical stage as the Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Asaba prepares to adopt written addresses of contending parties. In the meantime, the APC's attempt to have a vote recount has been struck out by the tribunal.
Shortly after Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), was declared winner of the March 18, 2023 governorship election in Delta State, his closest rival, Senator Omo-Agege'S of the All Progressives Congress (APC), approached the Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Asaba, challenging his victory. Senator Omo-Agege'S is praying the tribunal to declare him winner of the election, having scored majority of the valid votes. At the resumed hearing of the petition recently, Senator Omo-Agege'S legal team applied for recounting of ballot papers used for the election to prove that the APC governorship candidate won the highest number of valid votes. A chieftain of the APC in Delta State, Ogbueshi Eluaka, said his party was poised to snatch victory from the jaws of defeat.
All we know is that God is on our side and the land is on our side, because definitely our mandate must be recovered, and that is why we are here.
Unfortunately for the petitioner, the tribunal has struck out the application for recounting of ballot papers. This followed an objection by Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Damian Dodo, and others appearing for the respondents that the right thing to do was to first apply for a recount at the polling unit.
We contended most vehemently that the case was not made out, both on the pleadings and the witness statement and the facts before the tribunal. And the tribunal, in its wisdom, in its judgment, decided that this is not the proper case for recount and didn't allow recount.
As far as Omo-Agege'S, a PDP member in Delta State, is concerned, the APC governorship candidate has no case to prove in court.
I have been following the proceedings right from the onset. We are on course, and I believe that the opposition, they have no case.
In the meantime, Governor Oborevwori has lauded the Inter-Party Advisory Council (IPAC) for its contributions to the growth of democracy in Nigeria. While receiving in audience members of the Delta State chapter of IPAC recently in Government House Asaba, the governor had acknowledged its role in promoting peace and stability in the state.
I'm particularly impressed with Delta State chapter of the body. I know that your interventions in matters regarding politics and governance in the state have been guided by maturity, objectivity, fairness, and transparency.
Earlier, IPAC chairman in Delta State, Comrade Emeka Bidoku, noted that the courtesy visit was to congratulate the governor on his electoral victory and pledge support for his government.
You are not just the governor of Delta State, but a man ordained by God to bring much needed democratic dividend to Delta State at this critical period of our political and social trajectory. We wish to formally congratulate you on your successful election to inauguration.
Comrade Bidoku urged all Deltans to rally round Governor Oborevwori, whose vision is to advance Delta State.
Inside the Niger Delta,